That is like, that's a really awesome picture. Video. And you know, Goderich, it's beautiful. This is the price of movies. Home of tasty pastry. It's closed for the night. I'm just trying to get to Goderich to be able to see the sunset. I don't know if I'm going to make it, but I think it's going to look pretty amazing. Fingers crossed, the fog that's kind of rolling in off in the distance. Don't know if you can see it. It kind of stays away. I've got about 34K to go. Should get there at 7:32, and that's exactly when the sunset is. So I'm going to go straight to the beach. I'm going to film, and then I'll go and do a little walk in downtown. Well, the fog rolled in, and this is what we get to look at. It could have been such an amazing sunset, but this is what we have. The sun is down behind all that fog, and there's nothing we can do about it. Nature. But on another note, that is like the largest salt mine in North America, maybe even the world. It goes 3 kilometers all the way out there under Lake Huron. Crazy. All right, well, let's take a walk down past the restaurant, and then we'll make our way into town, and we will do the tour of downtown. If you want to eat dinner and watch the sunset, then the restaurant up ahead is where you want to go. I think this was the old train station. That is like, that's a really awesome picture. I am so sad. Seriously, not too often I get to see the sunset right over Lake Huron, but I missed it. Not that I missed it, but the fog happened. It is what it is. Anyways, this walks all the way along, and it comes to a point where you can't go anymore, but this is an awesome restaurant to eat at. Lots of the locals come, lots of the tourists come, and it's a place to go. Welcome to Goderich, the only town that is in the shape of an octagon. This place got hit with a tornado, and I want to see how it's all changed and just to see what it looked like before and after and what happened. Welcome to Goderich. My name is David, and this is Backroads. Welcome to the downtown of Goderich. Time 7:39 on a Wednesday. This is the only octagon-shaped downtown, I believe, in Canada. Oh my gosh, they have the whole entire street ripped up. Okay. This is a little interesting. How do I get on the inside? Because then I could film it, would be better than what I'm filming right now. Anyways, yeah, I think in 2011, a tornado ripped through this town and devastated a lot of the buildings here. I don't know if anyone was injured or killed, but what I do know is it was very scary for a lot of people who are not used to seeing tornadoes come through. That's the library right there. That's very cool. This is the first time I've done an evening video. And you know, Goderich, it's beautiful. Obviously, it would look so much nicer if all this wasn't being done, but it's got to be done. It's got to be done. Seriously, is this the whole entire... I hope not. Bike shop right here. You got the old Hotel Bedford. You can see those buildings over there, they were all redone. The majority of the buildings were all redone here. Livery. It's an old building right there. And this, Hotel Bedford, yeah, it's an old building too. So this is what the streets are going to look like when it's all redone. See, this is quite nice. And that's the courthouse in the middle. You got all these trees that were planted, which is very, very beautiful. Yeah, so all the buildings were repaired. It's taken a long time to repair Goderich, but here's the thing. This town, everything, look, all rebuilt. Okay, obviously it's, you know, they did their best to kind of keep it to an historically, you know, try to keep it the same. But again, you're never going to be able to do that. However, it looks beautiful. They've done the best job that they can. Yeah, all of these were all done, all redone. It's all brand new. You know, looking at it all now, from when I saw it before, it feels weird actually. I mean, it's the same, but it's new. Or I should say it's old, but it's new. It's quiet though. Like really quiet. Oh. Now I don't know why that went because it's only 7:45. Cravings, the cafe store next to there. You have a theater in town. This is really nice. A church over there. Honestly, there's more happening in Grand Bend and there's less people. Part Bistro. The old theater is still going strong. Apparently you got to go online to see what the movies are playing. Wow. Now, did I park over there? I think I parked over there. Let's go up here. Last time I was here, I did film a video. However, I couldn't post it because I had no audio because my mics went on me. But tonight, I'm not using a microphone. So all the sounds that you hear, nothing is filtered out. Yeah, I don't believe any damage was done to the courthouse. Wow, it is so deathly quiet. I mean, I can hear my feet hitting the ground. It's crazy. Oh yeah, nice little water feature here. Yeah, this is where they have like a bandstand kind of thing over there. So that's where they would film, or that's where they would do performances. I think I could get used to filming at twilight. I think this video looks pretty awesome. Okay, I need to get over there. See, you can still see the fog rolling in. It's moving in at a good clip, actually. And it's dense, right over top of the water. This is the price of movies.
Hi, Rob.
I saw that movie 2 nights ago. It is amazing. So awesome. Firehouse subs. See you on the next video, guys. Home of the tasty pastry. It's just closed for the night. Culpert's Bakery.